The Magnum is an ultra-strong U-lock. It boasts a high-security, independently approved 16 mm shackle lock. With a hardened steel construction and boasting gold, SBSC Certified Product, ART 4051 and FG security approvals. 100% blend. The Magnum has a key replacement service. When you buy your Magnum, simply note down the number which comes attached to the keys on a metal tag. Keep this in a safe place. Then in the event that you are unfortunate enough to lose all your keys, it will be possible to get a new key made up for you. 16 mm shackle, ultra-strong double locking mechanism. High-tech pick-deterrent locking system, 2x keys. Lockhead dirt cover, dual-use product, comes with carry bracket for cycle use, 5-minute attack tested. Top review from the United States. Not bad. This thing is great. The weight alone definitely makes me feel it'll do the job at protecting my bike a little more. One thing I've noticed is that it's a little tricky to unlock and remove the lock occasionally.